Donne, a lecture upon the shadow. Stand still, and I will read to thee a lecture, love, in love's philosophy. Those 3 hours which we have spent in walking here, 2 shadows went along with us, which we ourselves produced. But now the sun is just above our head, we do those shadows tread, and to brave clearness all things are reduced. So, whilst our infant love did grow, disguises did and shadows flow from us and our care. But now 'tis not so. That love hath not attained the highest degree, which is still diligent, lest others see. Except our love at this noon stay, we shall new shadows make the other way. As the first were made to blind others, these which come behind will work upon ourselves and blind our eyes. If once love faint and westwardly decline, to me thou falsely thine, and I to thee mine actions shall disguise. The morning shadows wear away, but these grow longer all the day. But oh, love's day is short, if love decay. Love is a growing or full constant light, and his first minute after noon is night.